Bible truth and church service. They do get much of the truth into them, but also they learn and they experience what it means to be in the church life, to live the church life. And he's fully met the requirements for graduation from the full-time training in London, FTTL, and that's awarded today, December 12, 2009. So I'm going to step down and I'm going to give each one their certificate, and then they're going to come up here and stand with their certificate just as they did when they were making the presentation, because we know that you would like to take some pictures. We figured that out. And so I will give each one their certificate. They will come back up and stand as they were before, and we can have a little time for that. And then we'll have just a little bit more fellowship. We have a wonderful hymn to sing before we go, and then we'll invite all of you to join us with them for lunch and much fellowship afterwards. Okay, so we'll do this first. Okay, first one is Brother Ovidio. You will take your place. Amen. Brother James.